Menteri rang ba benrap jong kejela uba Prestone tensong ula Ther Kylla ya kejingong UMP ke Shillong uba Vincent Pala bak sarkar MDA hakini ke asnam siteng kamshim nale kinu ki kam bathmai henrei kala subut bet tangi kam kibarem. Habakran bakat tu kat ni kinong tho khubor ha kasengi baar uba Prestone uba batru ya katanat PWD ulong batang ha katanat PWD kisurok ke balawanra kilong palat ya kalai hajar kelu tingkam. Bat na kini kisurok badai na ka PMG aswai kilong kumba khat aspa kelu tingka nangta na ka Central Road Fund kalong laispa artway kelu tingkam. Nangta na ka state plan kepisa ke balamang ban pelut kalong south pa kelu tingka nak benda kisurok. Nalor kini kita hadu shipau tili ki projek kebala kesan pisah ke World Bank banchina yak surok kiba kejinglot kelong kumba South Park kelur tingka baja kini menta lakot tendar. Uba tensong ubalaya turu bandangshen ke sarkar pedeng kala menjur banchina no yak surok na Shillong Shilauki ha kejinglot keba omduna yak khatlai spa kelur tingka ha kaba onchina ha kisau tili ki benta lan South Face.
I don't know our honorable MP Pala in what way he did his assessment. Only from my department. Forget about other department. Let me just tell you because I have my information in my fingertips. Let me just tell you, PMGSY scheme, which is being implemented till now, in the entire state, is 1,200 crores. 1,200 crores. Number two, CRF being implemented right now. 321 crores at. Number three, state plan from the state share itself. We have given sanction 400 crores. Okay, 400 crores. Then fourth, now the 10 projects of World Bank, which is consisting of about not less than 400 crores. Again, tender is now almost ready. Ready means almost completed. The process of tendering is almost completed. So 400 crores. So you can add that. How many crores of rupees this government has taken initiative as far as development of the state is concerned. Okay, I'm talking only from PWD. Then next is I will tell you about not less than 1,300 crores we got sanctioned for JICA, Shillong Dauki. Tender, 4 packages of tenders has been called now. So you add how much?
Uba Prestone udah kentha dak boong bakini kejingkren ki datang kibut berpenpau kerteng kum kinong mikmat pat ba badon hakaliang persya nama dakim kren ru upat ba ulam klet no eki.
I'm telling you, being the opposition, you need to do that. Otherwise, people will forget you totally. So if you want people at least to remember who's Mapala, who's Mukul Sangma, who's Zenit, or who's Congress MLAs, they need to play their role. Their role as opposition is what? Criticism. You can criticize, no problem. But as I said to you, positive and constructive.